Hello students, welcome to the online class. So the next archaeological site is Keeladi. So Keeladi is located in Sivagangai district. An archaeological survey of India, that is ASI, excavated an ancient town dating to Sangam age in Keeladi village at Tiruppuvanam Taluk. Excavations have produced evidences for brick buildings and well laid out drainage system. Tamil Brahmi inscripted pottery, beads of glass, carnelian, quartz, pearl, gold ornaments, iron objects, shell bangles and ivory dies have been unearthed. The Roman artifacts found at this site add to the evidence of ancient Indo-Roman trade relations. The abbreviation of ASI is Archaeological Survey of India. So ASI means Archaeological Survey of India. So this department, this ASI, it excavated in Keeladi village. In this excavation, they have found many interesting things. That is, the first one is Tamil Brahmi inscription. See this picture. This is the image of Tamil Brahmi inscription. So some letters are written in the rocks. No. So this is called Tamil Brahmi inscription. See this picture. These are the images of carnelian beads which is found in the Keeladi excavation. And these are all the gold ornaments. So this is also found in the Keeladi excavation. See here. These are all the images. And these are the shell bangles which is used by the ancient people. This is the image of ivory dies. So these are all the things which we have found in the Keeladi excavation. So that's all. We have completed one unit. Now we'll recall all the new terms which we have learned in this unit. So first one is archaeologist. So archaeologist is a person who learns about human history through excavation. So archaeologist is a person and he learns about the human history through excavation. What do you mean by excavation? So excavation means digging the earth to find the remains of the past. So we are digging the earth to find some evidence for the past human life. And then unearthed. Unearthed means to finding something in the ground by digging. So we are finding something. We are unearthing. Okay, unearthing means we are finding something in the ground by digging. Some excavational sites in Tamil Nadu are Adichanallur, Keeladi and Arikkamedu. Thank you students.